The first batch of clear I used was slow hardener, but the second batch was fast hardener. Can this change the color of the base coat? My driver's door looks brighter. I've never heard of that before. I really don't think so. Yeah, I'm not sure why you used a fast hardener on the second time around versus just going with a slow or medium again. I like to use slow on complete paint jobs, give your clear coat a nice time to flow out. You know, you don't want it curing too quickly. You want your clear coat to flow out, and that's why slow reducers are recommended, and slow reducers and hardeners are recommended for complete paint jobs. Okay, Tony, to paint a pickup truck, is it necessary to remove the bed? No, it's not. I've done many pickup trucks just by leaving it all together and just painting it, you know. And when you get to the bed area where you got a little bit more gapping between the cab and bed, you know, you just kind of like spray up, you know, up and down on an angle each side just to get your base coat and clear coat in there, and you're fine. That's pretty much it. You know, you're not going to see that far in to be like, oh wow, it's not painted in there, you know. But if you're doing like a custom job, a classic or whatever, then yeah, you would want to separate the bed and cab. This way you can get the back of the cab, especially if you're doing a color change paint job. And that's, you know, that's what you want to do. And I've done that many times on customer jobs back in the day, basically, you know, removing the cab, unbolting it, setting it back to where you could at least step inside between the frame, paint the back of the cab, turn around, paint the back of the bed, and have it all painted before you just put it back together and bolt it down. So it's really up to you. You know, it's up to you. It's up to if you're getting paid extra for it. You know, some customers don't care. Some customers are like, yeah, do it. If it's your own personal sentimental project, then you might want to do it. Maybe you might not want to do it. You know, it's all, you know, what you want to do. My Suburban repainted to a nice custom color. Should I have my painter take it down to metal? No, it's not needed. It's not needed to take it down to metal. All right. If your paint is in pretty good condition, you just have to sand it down, get it to about 400 grit, ready for paint, and you could paint right over it. Or you can sand it down to, you know, 150, 180, put a nice filler primer over the whole thing, block it down, and then paint it. So it's up to you if you want to prime and paint it, or like I said, if the paint is in good enough condition, you could actually paint right over clear coat. So it's a good foundation as is. You know what I mean? All right. Hopefully that answered your questions. Talk to you soon, guys. Have a great week. Peace.